Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sync iCloud photos with Windows PC. Easy method, step by step, clearly. To sync iCloud photos with your Windows PC, begin by downloading the iCloud for Windows application. Visit the Apple website and search for iCloud for Windows. Click on the download link and follow the installation prompts. Once installed, open the iCloud application. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the verification code sent to your device. In the iCloud interface, look for the Photos option. Check the box next to Photos to enable photo syncing. Click on the Options button beside Photos to customize your settings. You can choose to download new photos and videos from iCloud to this PC. Select the iCloud Photo Library option to keep your photos synced. Click Done and then Apply to save your settings. Now, open File Explorer on your PC. In the left sidebar, you will see iCloud Photos. Click on it to access your synced iCloud photo library. Your photos and videos will now start downloading to your PC in the Downloads folder. This process may take some time depending on the size of your photo library. Once the download is complete, you can view, edit, and manage your photos on your Windows PC. To ensure continued syncing, keep the iCloud application open in the background. Check periodically to confirm that new photos from your iPhone or iPad are available on your PC. By following these simple steps, your iCloud photos will be seamlessly synced with your Windows PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.